On like the 1 year anniversary, another, like, what am I trying to say? But anyway, yeah, but yeah, that catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Yeah, 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 yeah. Boring. So. But before we get started, can we just talk about how nature tried to kill me before I came out here in this video? So I'm leaving my apartment because I was like, I want to record in nature. I want to be dissociated. I want to be dissociated from the world. So I'm gonna record in nature. Bet. I'm here to record in nature, and I stepped on a stick, and I hurt my foot like really bad, like super bad. Like, I'm being dramatic. It didn't hurt that bad. But I stepped on a stick and I hurt my foot. That's the first thing. You know, it's not that bad. Then I get like halfway down the street and I almost got attacked by a squirrel. He didn't come at me and he didn't put his hands on me. But he did look me dead in the eyes. Like, we made eye contact. And he did scare me. Like, very much. Almost got attacked by a squirrel. Also, like, what my plans are. I see a dog.